Sanda from Croatian Experience with Sanda, and in this video we are going to talk about sailing in Croatia. Croatia has a big sailing tradition, and that's no surprise because Croatia is a Mediterranean country with a long coast. Actually, Croatia's coast is 1,700 kilometers long, without counting the islands. Bearing in mind that Croatia has more than 1,000 islands, the coast, together with the islands, is more than 6,000 kilometers long. People in Croatia, the ones that live on the coast, are very connected to the sea. Every one of us has or has had somebody who was a sailor. Even my own grandpa was a ship captain in the 50s. I'm no ship captain, but I can't help myself but miss my precious blue sea when I'm not living next to it. I even paint the sea all the time. Further in this video, we are going to talk more about sailing in Croatia, but first, let me take you on board the Queen of the Sea with me. The Queen of the Sea, or in Croatian language, Kraljica Mora, is a training ship for Croatian pupils of maritime schools and faculty students. It was built in 2009, and it's often anchored in Rijeka, my hometown. So this time I got a chance to get on board this lovely ship. Hi everyone, I got inside this ship. And this is how it looks like on the inside. If I were a captain, it would be like this. Hi! I always wanted to have a small boat and to be able to travel by sea. In Croatia, it's sometimes much more practical than traveling by car. Just look at this family. I saw them in the middle of the winter on the island of Krk. If you want to watch the full video about my winter adventures on the island of Krk, I'll leave the link above and below, as well as the links to my videos about the beaches in Croatia and much more fun stuff. Croatia is perfect to enjoy a sailing trip full of wonderful experiences. As you sail Croatia, you will be able to explore many different islands, big, small, rocky or green. You'll be able to explore and immerse yourself in culture, history and wonderful architecture. You'll be able to jump into the deep blue, amazing and clear sea, and if you're lucky, you'll encounter some beautiful dolphins while sailing. There are many options in Croatia. You can learn to sail and take a course in one of many sailing schools, or you can hire a sailing boat, yacht or a motorboat with or without a skipper. There are also more than 50 marinas in Croatia and many anchorages, village and town harbors. Basically, wherever you decide to sail in Croatia, you won't make a mistake. Istria is lovely, as is Dalmatia. I often say that the sea on the Croatia's side of the Adriatic is the most beautiful place on earth. The sea is so deep you can swim and dive, but at the same time it's safe, calm and without huge waves. It's a perfect mix. It's like a salty swimming pool. So when you sail in Croatia, you only need to take care of occasional strong currents and don't sail on very windy or stormy days, as the winds in Croatia can be quite strong. In the summer, the weather is normally calm and sunny and very hot, but we also have summer thunderstorms every now and then. So you can rent a boat in Croatia, In this case, the boats will usually be smaller motorboats which are available for rent from an hour to a day. Bear in mind that you need to have a navigational license in order to sail in Croatia, so if you don't have it, I suggest hiring a boat with a skipper. Boats for charter are usually bigger sailing boats or motor yachts, equipped for a week-long stay or even longer. When it comes to prices, a basic charter for 4 people and the skipper will cost around 2,500 euros in late September and around 3,500 euros in late July or early August. A skipper would cost around 125 euros per day plus food, and if you stay in a marina every night, then it will cost you around 70 euros per day, or double than that for a catamaran. However, some ports in towns and villages are quite well equipped and much cheaper than marinas. And now it's time for a short Croatian language lesson. Let's begin! One very nice word is the word we use for Adriatic. Adriatic is Jadran in Croatian. Repeat after me. Jadran. Jadran. Adriatic Sea is Jadransko more. Repeat after me. Jadransko more. As you can see right there, more means sea. More. Repeat after me. More. Great. A boat in Croatian is čamac or barka. Repeat after me. Čamac, barka. And a sailboat is jedrilica. Jedrilica. A yacht is jachta. Jachta. And a ship is brod. Brod. Let's repeat. Jadran, Jadransko more. More. Jadran, Jadransko more. More. Čamac, barka. Jedrilica, jachta, brod. And of course, jedrenje is sailing. Jedrenje. Repeat after me. Jedrenje. Odlično. Odlično means excellent. You can learn Croatian with me. You can continue or binge watch my videos because in almost every video I have a Croatian language lesson. And you can also have Skype language lessons with me. I will leave my email in the description below this video. I also have a Croatian language course for Spanish speakers if you happen to be one. In that case, hola, mucho gusto! And before we go, one quick fun fact for you. Did you know that Croatia has European, World and Olympic champions in sailing? Yeah, that's right. We have fabulous results on a world level in sailing. Yes, that's right. Even though Croatia is a very small country, we have brilliant sportsmen and women. I wish you all a happy and joyous sailing in Croatia. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos, like and share with your friends. Bye! Do viđenja!